बाणावले लोकांनी कारले प्रॉपर्टी बाणावलेच्या शेत पुरवणीच्या कामाचेर आक्षेप घेतला। हालींच वेचून आयिल्ल्या थळाव्या आमदार घडणूक स्थळार वचून पळोवणी केली आनी जमिल्ल्या लोकांकडेन आनी कंत्राटदाराकडेन हे विशीं भासाभास केली। राष्ट्रीय महामार्गाचें काम चालू उरलें जाल्यार ताजो आमकां बाणावलेकारांक त्रास जातलो। आमी पुलाची मागणी केल्या आनी आमच्या मागणेचेर आमी ठाम आसात। हो प्रश्न मुख्यमंत्री आनी हेर अधिकाऱ्यां मुखार मांडून ताचेर जाता तितल्या बेगीन सुटावे करतले तशेंच अशें उतर ताणें ह्या वेळार दिलें।
And I think government has to understand that development is all about saving lives. जोरी तरी तुमच्या लोकांगे जीव साल्वा करपाक तुमकां जोरी तरी मुखार सरपा जायना जाल्यार आय थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेस्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी अ वेस्ट फॉर रिप्रेझेंटिंग पीपल। आज हांव निवडून आयले लोकां पासून जोरी तरी फाल्यां जोरी तरी 23 जर 100 years फ्लड जालो जाल्यार जोरी तो हांवूय बुडटलो हिंगा वयता आसतना सगळे बुडटले कसलो फायदो जालो हे 300 कोटी साल्वा करून। सो दिस इज द होल आयडिया। आय हॅव स्पोकन टू द दॅट इज मिस्टर दत्ता प्रसाद नायक, Datta Prasad Kamath. He is the E for the national highway. He has sent his contractors here. I don't know their name, but the contractor yellow is. So they yellow I think the document bhi dakhvile. Based on this, we have spoken to the lawyer kore bolilay, and now we will try to take this ahead. Okay. Kam tonan sangon kam ban जायना, कळना because it is a court order or not an order, a statement which is come that you have to continue the work as per the NGT guidelines. NGT जे सांगलो ते भाशेन तेंगे ते कमिटीन सांगलो ते भाशेन करपा जाय म्हणून। Now only we could do is we go to the court immediately again and tell them that whatever you have said is done, but what about something called as 100 years flood that we have to look into, and we have to make sure that if you are saying that 4 boxes or 3 boxes are going to stop for 100 years, it's not going to happen. Not going to happen. You are सगळे तोडे बांदू बुडयता तूं आनी त्या आनी घरां ती बुडयतलो सगळे बुडोवन उडयतलो। सो आय थिंक एक मनशागे डिसिजना लागून वी कॅनॉट risk the lives of the generations to come. Probably 10 वर्सां जाय ते 15 वर्सां. So people have to understand. I will do my best once this resolution is taken by the panchayat. If they can speed it up today, and which they will do, then Kellamutri, we will try to see if we can arrange a meeting on fast track basis with the chief minister to make him understand this. No, with whatever limited resources I have to reach to the CM, I will do my best so that we can go there tomorrow. He also has his plan for tomorrow. Then already plan केला Wednesday atlo mun slot aspana dinga. So I will do my best and request him to give us 5 minutes to understand and how we can go in the best way.
Regarding this issue,
yeah. Because see, we do not want the work to continue till we go back to the court and get things organized. Legally, it has to be right because High Court is monitoring the job. Okay. So from our side, we are fully giving the full support, and I think people are already here. People know this matter for.